What is going on, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of the car vlog series right here on Tremaine TV. As you can see, I am currently driving in the WRX. I am off to meet up with Uncle Jules. He's actually right in front of me, right there in his Honda. And we are going to go install some fun parts in my car. We've got brand new EBC yellow brake pads to install, as well as a manual boost controller. And I realized all the way getting over here that I forgot the camera to film this, so we're going to be filming on my phone all day today. So yeah, that'll be fun. Let me do a quick boost pull for you guys, and then we'll roll the intro. Hang on. Alright, here we are. We got the new brakes going in, the new brake pads, the EBC yellows. Those are the old ones. Are they just OEM ones? Is that all that was on there before? As far as you can tell?
No, it's whatever we bought last time.
Oh yeah, we did buy brake pads when we did the rotors too, huh? Yeah, I forgot.
That's why they still look somewhat new.
That makes sense. I forgot about that. How much better stopping power do those EBCs have?
It's all in the compound, so it's gonna be better in general. I mean, these are yellow stuff, so it'll be good.
Okay. And you have the blues on yours, right?
Yes.
The blues take longer to what, heat up or whatever? Like, because they don't work well at lower temperature, I saw?
Yeah, they take a little bit longer to heat up, but I mean, that's easy to fix.
Okay.
It's easy to fix with some just aggressive braking and driving.
Aggressive braking. What if you're not on the track and you try to aggressive brake though, like just out in the streets?
Yeah, just give it a few quick stomps, you know. Ride them a little bit and warm them up.
Well, like a rally driver almost?
Yeah.
Just tape the map of the autocross track to your dash?
Yeah, of the current map that you're going.
Uh-huh.
You'll tape it right to his dash.
That's crazy.
At it when he just sent it right now, and I already know which way I'm going.
Yeah, but you have been on that track how many times?
Quite a few. But some people still, I mean, some people have been racing there this entire time and still get confused.
Yeah, I just don't want to look like a jackass on my first event.
You won't.
Will I look like I'm a slow idiot?
I'd rather look like a slow idiot versus going the wrong direction.
Yeah, but it's a competition. I can't be slow in a competition.
You can for the first, like I said, for the first lap, the first one you do. That way you know which direction you're going for certain.
It's fair. One of my friends said I shouldn't even worry about trying to win or anything. He's like, just go out there and try to drive.
Yeah.
So I was like, I got to race against fucking Subaru Jesus himself here. I'm like, I'm in the same class as the fucking God car. I'm hosed. He's like, don't worry about that. Just go drive.
Yeah, because, I mean, and in essence, if I drive and I make a mistake, you capitalize, and I just keep making mistakes, you could win just due to me making mistakes.
Is our class really just all Subies?
Just about, yeah, because there's not a lot of people in
the SM, right?
SM, yeah.
Yeah. We're street modified?
Yeah, street modified.
Not what? STU is what? Street tuned or what?
No, STU is, street.
It's because that's the one right above us, right?
No.
No? Is that below us?
They're about the same, but the only, like, the difference is, so STU is still considered like a stock car class.
Oh. Is that why we're not in it?
Yes, exactly.
Because all this?
Because you can, like, in that class, in STU, you're supposed to have catted down pipes. You're supposed to have your catalytic converters and everything in place and stuff like that.
Yeah, we don't have any of that.
Exactly.
No, we took all that out. All right, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, there's that. Second of all, this is why we couldn't get the brakes off.
That's not coming out.
Oh, shit. Alright, you guys, so this is a carrier bolt. Comes out of the brake pad carrier right here. That's the other one. It doesn't want to leave. So now we're trying to melt the slag or whatever is holding it in there. Because we hit it with the air hammer, as you guys saw, and it is not moving. And this is the other one, so not surprised that it's not moving. And that's the only thing preventing us from finishing up the brake job and having new brakes on the car with race weekend this weekend. So we'd like to get it done.
It's moving a little bit.
That's sad. I couldn't tell anymore. I'm like, it looked like it was moving for a second. Now I don't know if it is moving or not. I was gonna turn the heat way up. Wait.
All right, that's why it's moving.
What are we looking at here? What's the... Oh my god. Now how the hell are we supposed to get it out? Is it just rusted to it?
Looks that way.
It does.
The WD-40, nope, that's lithium grease. Alright, there should be air mics right here.
Oh. And then I think you already have those pliers. What did you do to the WD-40? You superheated it?
No, that's PV blast. That's penetrating fluid.
Whoa, no penetrating. Oh, you're gonna go back to using that thing? Oh god. Hey, it's out.
I told you I'd get that bitch out.
There you go. That thing was the most stubborn bolt in the history of ever.
No, that was completely rusted. There was no grease.
Oh. So one of them looked like it had fucking RTV on it, and this one has nothing on it. Whose man's worked on this car before I owned it? Okay, everybody, so another quick update for you. We are just about to finish up getting the last caliper on, not caliper, the last pad. These nice new brake pads, the EBC yellow stuffs. That's what we are installing. We finally got done dealing with the carrier and the bolts that were just destroyed. Here's the destroyed carrier bolts. There's that one and that one. Someone really did put RTV on that, which pisses me off, because why the fuck would you do that? And then if you look over here at this side, you can see what it's supposed to look like when it's all done. These are the brakes. Those are the brakes. Break it up, break it up, break it down. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this quick episode of the car vlog series right here on Treeman TV. If you did enjoy it, then be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more episodes, because we've got another one of these coming to you guys here in a couple of days, because this weekend is another race weekend for Autocross for me. So that is why we, of course, put those new brake pads on, and we were going to do the manual boost controller, but we just didn't have enough time, considering that that one brake carrier had the bolt that was just permanently stuck in there, and that took an extra hour. Like, we should have been done an hour before that, but that really set us back, and that's why we didn't get to have time to install the manual boost controller in my car. So I'll have to be racing this weekend without it. I should be fine. But yeah, we have another full-length episode of the car vlog series coming to you guys here in a couple of days after I race in my first event at Autocross. The last 2 times we've been to the track for videos have just been test and tune days, like preseason practice, getting the car all dialed in. And this is event 1 and 2 this weekend, so I am excited. You guys will get to see that when that video goes live. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't rain this weekend, because that would be bad for me. And yeah, until the race. This has been Tree Man signing off. Peace.